How to remove blank rows in Excel. Let's say we have a data set like this and we have loads of blank rows that we want to get rid of. You might have copied this data in from another source, or you might have been sent it like this, but don't highlight them individually like this and find delete, because that will waste a lot of time. Instead, select the whole range of data that we want to remove the extra rows from, like this. Hold down Control and the letter G, and that's the same if you're on a Windows computer or a Mac. Or you can choose the Home option up here in the ribbon, and then go to Find and Select and choose Go To, and this will bring up the Go To box. Now choose Special here and select the Blanks option and click OK. This highlights all of the blank rows that we've got, so now hold down Control and the minus symbol, or right click in one of the blank cells and choose Delete. Select Shift Cells Up, click OK, and that's removed all of those blank rows for you, so you don't have to do them one by one. How handy!